From the top of a building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cell tower is 60 degrees and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degrees. See, from the top of a building, if I take the building as AB, the angle of elevation of the top of a cell tower, from the top, from this position, they saw the angle of elevation, so tower is more taller. So here I'll take like PQ is a tower. The angle of elevation, so here you draw the horizontal surface. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the top of the building, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. And the angle of depression to its foot, to the foot of the tower is, depression means here this one, the angle of depression is 45 degrees. So if this angle, this you consider as C, angle CBP equals angle BPA, interior alternate angles, so this also will be like 45. Okay. And they told if the distance of the building from the tower is 7 meters, this distance is 7 meters, then find the height of the tower. So we need to find this height of the tower. This height I will consider it as X. Now this height of the building I will consider, height of the tower is H, which I need to find. Height of the building I will consider it as X. Here AB is height of the building, and PQ is height of the tower, So this I consider it as H, and building I consider it as like X, and tower I consider it as H. Now see, now I'll take the triangles. Triangle BCQ, so before that, triangle BAP you can take, or you can take BCP also. So I'll take triangle BAP, it will be 90. In BAP, theta opposite adjacent, so tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So in this triangle, opposite is AB, adjacent is AP, so tan 45 degrees, opposite is X, adjacent is 7. Tan 45 is 1 equals X by 7, therefore X equals 7 meters. Now if you take the triangle BCQ, see here opposite is only QC, theta is 60, opposite is QC, adjacent is here also same, 7 meters. Now total I took as H, total is H, in that CP will be like X, okay, QC will be H minus X. So tan theta in this triangle BCQ, opposite by adjacent, opposite is QC, adjacent is BC, so tan 60 degrees equals, opposite is H minus X by 7. Tan 60 is root 3 equals H minus X by 7, cross multiply, 7 root 3 equals H minus X. Now we need to find the H value, then find the height of the tower. So to find the H value, now here see, X value is how much? 7. Substitute here, 7 root 3 equals H minus X value is 7. Substitute here 7. So 7 root 3 plus 7 equals H. So this is the answer, but you can write in more simplified form. Therefore height is nothing but 7, if you will take common, root 3 plus 1 meters. So height of the tower is 7 into root 3 plus 1 meters, and if the last, suppose height of the building is X 7 meters. So in this way you need to solve the problem.